Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got here today 2001 Toyota Tacoma, you can see, right? And I'm redoing, I will say redoing, valve cover gaskets. They were leaking after only 1.5 years. They were replaced with some other shop in past. When we discovered this fact with the owner, right, I said I have a theory what happened here, and I will tell you when I will taking apart. And sure enough, I believe I was right, and I know many of you already have an answer too. But I'm trying to repeat the same thing here, what we mentioned already in different videos. So these are so-called half moons, right? And you guys know, we discussed it many times, that they need to be resealed when this job is being performed. So one of them, I pulled it with the pliers out of here, right? And the second one is right there, missing, right? Because I pulled it out already. And you see how much oil was leaking there, and that's a serious problem, right? This valve cover gasket job should last way longer, and we also confirmed that the job was performed, and 99.9% what happened, the technician didn't pull the half moons, right? He skipped that, or he had no idea that it needs to be done. You can see how old this is. It's really hardened, and it doesn't correspond to the rest of the job. It was done, I can see. These were very soft, very easy to pry out of here, right? Normally when it was not done, these are giving hard time to come out. The gasket is still soft, right? So again, this confirms everything, that this job was done, but as I said, and I suspected in beginning, this was skipped, and that's exactly when the oil is coming out, and it's basically waste of the money of the owner, because he's paying me again only 1.5 years later to redo it. And it was just really quick video, something interesting to show you, basically what happens when the job is not done right. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.